Welcome to our Forklift Instructor Course guide. Today, we'll explore the benefits, eligibility requirements, and everything you need to know to become a certified forklift instructor. Overview of Forklift Instructor Course. This comprehensive program is designed to equip individuals with the necessary skills to train and certify forklift operators. It's not just a certification, it's a pathway to a rewarding career. Benefits of being a forklift instructor. Now, let's delve into the perks. Becoming a forklift instructor opens doors to a range of benefits. From a fulfilling career to contributing to workplace safety, the rewards are substantial. Stick around to discover more. Eligibility requirements for the Forklift Instructor Course. To enroll, candidates are expected to meet the following criteria, ensuring a solid foundation for successful completion. Firstly, you'll need documentary evidence of having completed a counterbalance course of basic operating skills within 36 months of the course start date. This ensures a recent and comprehensive understanding of forklift operations. Secondly, candidates must provide proof of successful completion of the full eTruck, eLearning course within 36 months of the course start date. If you don't have this yet, you can purchase the eLearning course from Forklift Training when you enroll for the instructor course. The eTruck eLearning course, offered by RTITB, is a unique digital storytelling tool that enhances training effectiveness, allowing candidates to complete theory training online at their own pace. Additionally, candidates should have a minimum of 6 months of experience as a counterbalance lift truck operator. Good communication skills, both verbal and written, are essential. Furthermore, candidates should possess the confidence to deliver or present training to a small or large group, although full training will be provided to enhance this skill. RTITB Forklift Instructor and Examination. When it comes to certifications, RTITB is a recognized authority. Now, let's explore the examination process for the Forklift Instructor course. Successfully passing the instructor level course requires candidates to excel in 3 key elements. Firstly, candidates will undergo a basic operating skills test on a counterbalance lift truck on the first day of the course. To pass to the instructor's standard, candidates must demonstrate their skills with a maximum of 25 penalties allowed. This test includes both the associated knowledge element of the operator test and the pre-use inspection test. A suitable period of truck familiarization will be provided before the tests are conducted. Secondly, candidates will face the associated knowledge element, which is a multiple-choice theory paper. To succeed, candidates need to achieve a pass mark of 80%. This segment evaluates the theoretical understanding of forklift operations. Lastly, candidates will be assessed on practical instructional ability. They must deliver a session of no more than 40 minutes, covering a basic operating skill. The pass mark for this practical instructional segment is 70 out of a possible 100, ensuring candidates can effectively convey their knowledge to future forklift operators. As we wrap up, we hope this guide has equipped you with valuable insights into the Forklift Instructor course. Remember, becoming a forklift instructor is not just a job, it's a commitment to safety and excellence. If you're ready to take the next step in your career and join the ranks of certified forklift instructors, now is the time. Enroll today for the RTITB Forklift Instructor Course with Forklift Training. Contact us directly to secure your spot and embark on a journey of professional growth. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your career and contribute to a safer workplace. We look forward to welcoming you to the world of certified forklift instructors.